clock is a kind of instrument used for timing in life, and its main material is generally made of plastic or metal. But today we are going to make a clock out of wood, and we are going to add some special ideas to it, so that it will look very beautiful at night. Now that the wood is joined together, you need to mark the board with a pencil. These lines are mainly used to identify the specific outline of the clock and some of its hand positions. After drawing, cut out the clock according to the drawn marks, and then put a movement on top of it, and also draw its outline with a pencil. After painting here, dig out a slot for it to be placed, so that the clock will be more beautiful when hanging on the wall, and will not look too obtrusive. The next step is to make the pointer part. Here, we first use a disposable cup to mix some tree branches. After mixing the branch glue, we add some phosphor into it and stir it well. Mix well and pour into 2 small molds and let dry. Now proceed to install the movement. There is also a small frame for the movement, which can not only be used to place the movement, but also can be wrapped around the edge of the string of lights, so that the clock at night when turned on will look very beautiful. If there are friends who are interested in this production, please like it and save the video. When you have time, you can turn the video out and make a 5 by yourself. Now the branch module made before has solidified, and the next step is to make it into a clock pointer. Before making it, or measure the size of the pointer, and then make a mark to mark it, and then cut it out of a suitable size of small pieces, and then embed it into the gap inside the pointer. After all the processing is good, and then the extra part to it, and then give it a good cover on a backboard. After the bubble is good, the first use of each paper to fix its position, and then give it a hole, and then place screws for fixing. Next, install the movement to it, cover the fixed screws, and then install the pointer together. Finally, I'm going to use a piece of twine to decorate it. Circle it, cut it with a knife after measuring it, and then connect it with a bit of glue. After processing it, I can put it on the top of the clock. Finally, this is the effect of turning on the lights at night. How would you rate this out of 10?